Yo, what is good? Trade recap for today. I just recorded this and my audio wasn't recorded, so I'm going to redo this. But essentially, let me just do this for a higher time frame. Oh, okay, we're in. Um, what I saw was a fucking chop because NQ loves the chop now, especially during the New York AM session. But I saw us displace heavy. We had a death candle through this 1 hour for value gap and this obvious hourly wick here, hourly sell side inside this new week opening gap, which is the most current, or not the most current, the most recent new week opening gap, the most relevant. So yeah, I wanted us to at least tap into this again to sponsor a move higher, which my higher time frame narrative was bullish, but on the intermediate time frame here, kind of wanted us to dump towards the sell side because it was so obvious. Even though yes, it swept it out here. I wasn't too concerned about it because we didn't have like stacked highs. There wasn't like low resistance liquidity. It was kind of protected. But yeah, we'll see. You'll see that once we get into the trade. So 9:30, we had opened up and we made this 9:30 wick here, and then we ended up tapping into this 15-minute unfilled gap here, and then we made an S&T with ES. So that kind of further gave me conviction behind this dump towards the sell side, and all we needed was a model setup to enter, and we started to displace, and we had another manipulation leg up. And on the 2 minute, there was a gap here that we made, but I did not wait for that because of the displacement, and I wanted to see a lower time frame, more obvious gap because this is kind of small. And I assumed from this heavy displacement to the upside and then displacement to the downside, we had formed a lower time frame gap here. I do not have the 30-second on TradingView, which I don't trade on, but I knew, you can see it here, we had made an obvious 30-second fair value gap that we displaced through. Little death candle here, which is nice. Yeah, my target was this hourly sell side, and my break even was at this 9:30 wick that we could have reversed off of, which I didn't think we would. So I just thought we would just dump past it. If not, I might have been wrong, and maybe this SMT would sponsor the movement higher. But I was willing to risk and put money on the table that this model setup would play out. This is a very good model setup. Kind of that 9:30 Judas swing, step side, tap into the 15-minute, sweep out liquidity, SMT, and then inverse with displacement down. Kind of textbook here. We had good momentum. We had an SMT. We had on the 2 minute, it was very V-shaped, as you can see with this line. We had a protected high. We didn't have like low resistance liquidity above us. We did here, which we end up taking out like, I think they're like Asia open or like before the market closed. But yeah, we weren't getting structure to start taking out these highs yet, and it looked like we wanted to dump towards the sell side. So everything made sense here. It was just a very logical trade. The only trade that actually was valid today, because if you didn't trade today, we fucking chopped around the entire New York session, which we have been doing every single fucking day, which is, if you trade New York AM, like me, it sucks. It's not been fun. It's been very choppy. It's been very indecisive, and I can't wait for Trump to get out of office because the markets will clear up. Hopefully, unless there's someone more controversial and tweets more than Trump. But yeah, another thing why I'm trading on TradingView is because I got rebuild for an account that I was previously trading on Alpha when I full ported CPI. Yeah, I full ported CPI. Yeah, and I got a rebill because I didn't take out my credit card. So I tried asking for a refund and I didn't get it. They told me I have until April 12th to pass the account. So not much time. I need to pass this account. Probably going to risk heavier, but we made $700 today, so that's nice. Maybe, but yeah, I'm going to just take A plus setups, maybe risk a little bit heavier, but kind of sucks because these accounts are $80. But what can you do? What can you do? I think that is just about it for the trade recap. Um, I journaled it. What else do we have? I think that is. I think that's everything. Yeah, pretty textbook setup. One and done for the day. That was it. But yeah, that's all for the trade recap. Peace.